A single bulb flickers above Kael, casting warped shadows over the cluttered workbench. The tool pulses with a soft, unnatural glow. Suddenly, Kael's own shadow unsticks, sliding free across the dusty floor, movements perfectly echoing the tool's twitch and shimmer. Kael freezes, blue eyes wide beneath his hood, watching as the shadow's outline distorts, fingers stretching, curling in sync with the tool's eerie dance. The room's light bends, dust swirling in unnatural patterns. The shadow pauses, then snaps its gaze toward Kael. The bulb buzzes louder. Darkness thickens.